Gusto kong bumili ng bahay pero wala akong pera.
Oo nga.
Pan-down payment.
Oo, tama.
So, ano bang mga resources na available sa akin or government resources or different kind of resources na pwede kong gamitin para makabili ako? Na pwede pauutangin sa'yo yung down payment. Walang interest.
Walang interest. No,
Okay.
no monthly payment. Diba?
Wala ring monthly payment.
Walang monthly payment.
Aba, maganda yan. O, tapos, so ibig mo sabihin, libre ito. You
Libre
don't need
to.
to pay.
Walang bayad to.
So, 1.5 to 3% closing cost.
Correct.
Wow,
Grant
that's a
to,
good one.
Grant,
Grant.
yes. So that's what's good.
We have to educate the public and
Correct.
the consumer on how to buy a home kasi they find it complicated, they find it scary, di ba?
I just want to be able to pinpoint this,
Okay,
Elizabeth.
tell me. 300 billion.
Yeah, the question is, why is it the state doing this? Why are they investing?
Oo nga,
Diba?
kasi unang-una, sa California talaga naho-hold ang value. Hello, everyone. This is Elizabeth Velasco from the Velasco team of Remax Gold, and this is
Alvin Reyes with Supreme Lending.
and welcome to our
Episode
episode 86 of
Bahay Pinoy sa Tate! Yes, yes.
Hello, Alvin.
Hello.
Kumusta na?
Mabuti naman. Ito na
Okay
tayo.
na. Ito na.
Ito na. I think we're seeing number one, we're seeing the rate has, coming down. Improve.
Buti na lang. Pero pakonti-konti.
Pero
no?
at least it's going in the right, favorable in
Direction.
a way. Diba?
Oo nga,
Hindi
correct.
pataas, diba?
Oo nga, yes.
So
oo.
it's setting us up for 2026.
Yes, speaking of 2026.
Yes.
Ito magandang topic natin. Kasi a lot of consumer wanted to really know about gusto kong bumili ng bahay pero wala akong pera.
Oo nga.
Pan-down payment.
Oo, tama.
So, ano bang mga resources na available sa akin or government resources or different kind of resources na pwede kong gamitin para makabili ako ng bahay?
Yes.
So, let's talk about that.
Yes.
So, unang-una po sa lahat, ito po sa nasa kamay
Kamay
ko,
mo, oo.
yung tinatawag na down payment assistance resources. Okay? So, we have what we call California Housing Finance Agency, which is what we call CalHAFA. Ang tawag dito is My Home Assistance Program. So, do you want to talk about little bit about CalHAFA?
Yes, the CalHAFA. Again,
Yes.
it's one of the state down payment assistant, California
Okay.
state. Okay.
Yes, okay.
They call it the CalHAFA.
California lang to.
Oh, California lang to, strictly for California.
Okay.
And it's California Housing Finance Agency ang tawag dito, or CalHAFA.
Okay.
Now, again, this is basically it's not a shared appreciation down payment assistance. You pay back what was given to you with no interest.
Okay, so pwede pauutangin sa'yo yung down payment. Walang interest.
Walang interest. No,
Okay.
no monthly payment. Diba?
Wala ring monthly payment.
Walang monthly payment.
Aba, maganda yan. O, tapos,
So you pay what's being given to you, and you pay it back when you refinance your home
kapag ni-refinance mo
or when you sell your home.
Okay, so after those two circumstances.
Correct. Yes.
Okay, so that's a good mga magkanong papautang
Okay,
sa'yo?
so
kung
pwede sila
CalHAFA?
magpahiram ng from 3.5%
Okay.
up to 5%.
Up to 5%. Okay,
depending on
gotcha.
your scenario, or depending on how much your income looks like, so how far you can go as far as purchasing power.
When you say CalHAFA, FHA ba to o conventional? Ano ba to?
Good question. There is
Yes.
conventional, and then there also an FHA.
FHA.
So
So for those of you who doesn't know, yung FHA po stands for Federal Housing Authority. Yes,
And
okay.
conventional is the regular conventional, kind of like the most of the lenders uses for conventional loan program.
More likely, ito yung mga binibili ng Fannie Mae,
Fannie
Freddie
Mae and
Mac.
Freddie Mac, yeah.
Yun yung mga biggest mortgage investor.
Correct. Now, what's the difference between the CalHAFA pagka nasa conventional or FHA?
Yeah, anong difference ng CalHAFA FHA?
Unang-una kasi sa conventional, if you go into a conventional loan program, you can put down, or they can let you spot you at 3%, pwedeng 3% sa conventional.
Okay, 3%.
Sa CalHAFA kasi 3.5% eh.
Okay, so 3%.
Okay. Now, the second is when you go to conventional CalHAFA, meron tayong tinatawag na low income
So what does that
Could be,
mean?
meaning to say, if you depending on the county, right?
Okay, we have 58 counties in California.
So if you're
Okay.
Sacramento County, San Joaquin County, San
Yeah.
Francisco County, meron tayong tinatawag na low income bracket
Okay,
na
so
pina-follow.
what's
So
that
what
mean?
kung makapasok kayo sa low income bracket na yun, pwedeng mas mababa yung rate.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
okay, so kung maliit pa lang income mo, bababaan pa ang
Oo,
rate.
bababaan pa yung rate because you qualify for the low income.
Ah,
So
okay.
yun
That's
sa
good to know.
conventional. Sa FHA wala nun.
Ah, sa
Straightforward lang.
conventional
Oo.
Okay,
So
okay.
that's pretty much
That's
it.
good to know.
Yeah,
okay.
okay.
So here, meron ding tinatawag na Golden State Finance Authority,
Correct.
which is GSFA Platinum Program. So can you tell us about
Yes,
that?
and
Ano
I love
naman
this
yan?
program.
Okay, tell me why.
Okay, so this is program, number one, yung Calhafa kasi, you have to be first-time home buyer.
First
For the
time.
Calhafa, right? Okay.
Okay.
It's also a beautiful program. But the GSFA, you don't have to be first-time home buyer.
Okay, teka muna. Can we go back when you say what's the definition of first-time home buyer? Kasi I know first-time home buyer, like it's like you never owned a home or you never owned a home within the last 3
There
years.
you go. Good question. Good
Okay.
question. So, for the regular Calhafa,
Calhafa.
which what we're talking about right now, if you own a home, you don't have to own a home for at least 3 years. Meron tayong 3 years seasoning.
Within the last 3 years.
After that, pwede ka na. Sa regular Calhafa.
Calhafa.
Now, alam naman natin, may darating tayong bagong program. Well, it's not new.
Okay, we're gonna talk about that
Okay,
later.
okay.
Let's stick
Okay.
with
GSFA.
GSFA,
Yes,
Platinum Program.
Now-
It's called Golden State Finance Authority.
Correct. Ito yung, kumbaga ba, ito yung second down payment assistance that also states California is giving to everybody.
Okay, so state program then
Then
for
to
Californians. Okay.
But this is basically, you don't have to be first-time home buyer.
So, po pwedeng, halimbawa, a year ago, binenta ko yung bahay ko, tapos gusto ko ulit bumili ng bahay.
Correct, pwede. You're allowed.
Okay. Besides that, what else?
Okay, and also, if you're a first responder, if you're a doctor,
Nurse,
police, or
Firefighter.
firefighters, meron nagbibigay itong GSFA, okay, ng grant for your closing cost.
How much?
So anywhere from 1.5% to 3% depending on the market.
Wait, okay. So, ibig mo sabihin, libre ito. You
Libre
don't need
to,
to pay.
walang bayad to.
So, 1.5 to 3%
Yes,
closing cost.
correct.
Wow,
Grant
that's a
to,
good one.
Grant,
Grant.
yes. So that's what's good thing about this GSFA. Number one, okay. It's not for the first-time home buyer. You can have this
Okay.
even though you own a home. Okay. Number two, there's a grant kung nasa first responder field ka, nurses, police, firefighter, right? May grant na binibigay, libre talaga.
He has to be first responder.
Yes. So
Okay.
libre talaga siya. Now, the only downside in this program,
Okay, downside. Ano
okay,
yun?
is that may bayad yung second mo, yung hihiramin mo, yung bibigay sa'yo.
Bibigay nga sa yung igagrant sa yung closing cost pero may bayad. What do you mean?
Yung down payment may bayad, yung closing cost na grant wala. Libre yun eh. Oo.
Okay, so when you say may bayad, it means do you pay mortgage on the second mortgage?
Yeah, there's the monthly payment. So they're gonna be using the rate, kung ano yung rate mo sa first, will be also your rate on your second. Ano yung
Ganun pala.
pinahiram.
So let's say ang first mortgage is 6%.
Yeah.
So 6% din yung 3.5% na hiram
Correct,
mo.
correct. Yes. So hindi
okay.
naman siya gaano kalaki, pero ibig kong sabihin, you do have to pay the second.
Pero mo bang, what if pwede mo bang bayaran yung second at any time?
And if you have the money, at any time pwede mong bayaran.
Okay.
It's up
That's
to you.
good to know.
And
Okay.
normally, like I said, what they do is after a year and a half or 2 years, when
Yes.
you have equity, then that's when you refinance and pay it
Correct.
off. Yeah.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
good to know.
But the grant itself is for free. Walang bayad talaga.
Yeah, maganda yun.
Maganda talaga siya. And you don't have to be first-time home buyer.
Actually, kung meron kang pag 3% down, hindi gamitin mo na lang na pang down payment.
Pwede rin.
Kasi
Yeah,
libre
it's up
na
to
yung
you.
ano mo eh.
Yeah,
Libre na
grant
yung
mo,
closing cost
mo
eh.
Oo,
Di ba?
oo. And also, one good example lang, if I may, meron ako isang first-time home buyer na kliyente, right? Okay? Yung anak, first-time home buyer talaga. Pero kailangan ng konting income na tulong sa nanay para mas malaking purchasing power. Yung nanay owns couple of properties, Nevada and Tracy as well.
Yeah.
Pero we were able to put in the nanay, right? And get the GSFA, get the down payment assistance. Yeah. So
Okay,
it's one
that's-
example. You don't have to be
So
first-time home buyer.
ibig mong sabihin, let's say ako at saka yung kapatid ko, pero siya lang ang first-time home buyer, ako hindi.
Pwede.
Pwede. Basta isa sa amin.
Oo, pwede. Oo.
That's good to know.
So walang,
Okay.
it doesn't matter kung first time, pwedeng maski hindi ka first time home buyer eh. Yeah.
What about
GSFA.
you? What about yung sa Calhafa?
Yeah. You have to be first-time home buyer.
Pareho kayo.
Oh, do you have to be both?
Both. Okay,
yes.
Okay, gotcha. Okay,
both.
okay. Okay, so
No
now
exception.
that we talked about yung two government programs.
Now, I want you to talk about this
Ito
one.
naman, meron din kaming tinatawag na county-wide programs. It's called Small Extra Loan for SHRA Cal Home Program.
Shara. Parang yun, no?
Shara. So can you tell us about this?
No.
Ano naman to?
Okay, so this one, I'm gonna be really honest with you, be frank, I don't know this one.
Oh.
Hindi ko alam to. I think this is
bago.
only for county of Sacramento.
Okay, kasi
Is that
ang
right?
sabi dito, this program gives families a small extra loan to help them pay for the down payment or closing costs. The best part is you don't have to pay it back every month. Only when you sell or refinance the house. It's like a silent helper.
Yeah.
So meron din tinatawag na SHRA PLHA program. This one is similar to Cal Home. It also helps with the first payment money. It uses special funds from the state called Permanent Local Housing Allocation. Families who haven't owned a home before can use it to buy their first one. So this is like interesting that we have this county-wide program.
Yeah, so this is
By
basic.
Shara.
Yeah, this meron kasing minsan may mga county rin, by county.
By
right?
county,
Oo, tayo,
okay.
Kasi yung GSFA tsaka Calhafa, which yung
All
talagang
throughout
pinaka-
California.
State of California yun. Pero each county really also has a down payment assistance na binibigay. Now, I'm not familiar with any other county, but what I can...
But it is available here in Sacramento.
yeah.
Okay, meron ding tinatawag na mortgage credit certification. This is like getting a coupon from the government every year that lowers your taxes just because you bought your first home. More like parang subsidy lang
Parang
to.
tax bracket, parang
Oo,
gano'n.
subsidy with your taxes, pero hindi siya talagang down payment assistance.
Yes.
Okay. So, may tinatawag din na city programs. Okay? Actually, ito pong mga programs na sinasabi po namin sa inyo, these are the different kind of programs that we talked about on our home buyer seminar.
Yes.
When we did the Filipino-American Real Estate Professional Association Sacramento chapter. Nagkaroon po kami ng home buyer seminar. Kasi nga po, maraming mga first-time home buyer na hindi nila naman gagawin nila. They have the income but they don't have the money for down payment. And they actually talk about this in details. Okay? So, meron din pong tinatawag na city programs in Sacramento County. One of them is here in Elk Grove. We call it Elk Grove Home Buyer Help. So, Elk Grove helps families who buy their first home in the city. Kailangan po sa city of Elk Grove.
And it is a silent second.
Okay, they give you a silent second. That means no monthly payments. You pay it later when you sell the home. And you could actually get up to $59,650. That's almost $60,000 to help you with your down payment.
Yeah.
Okay?
And of course, the rest are all the city. Each city has different down payment assistance.
Yeah, so meron pong Citrus Heights home buying assistance.
Rancho Cordova.
There's a Rancho Cordova
Folsom.
Calhofa program. Folsom Affordable Housing Program. City of Sacramento, run by SHRA. And all this extra help from nonprofit organization. So
again, depending talaga kung nasaan ka, what city,
Correct.
right? There is programs that we can look in for you.
Correct. So ito po yung mga nonprofit, okay? So Neighborhood Works of Sacramento, and this group helps middle income families. Okay, not too rich, not too low income, by giving grants, free money up to $50,000 to help buy the home.
Yeah.
So this is interesting.
Yeah. So there's a lot of down payment assistance program that you can qualify for depending on where you at in the city west. Now we already know that we have the Calhafa and the GSFA.
Yes.
Go ahead. And the other one?
Yeah. So in short, so you want to read it?
Yeah. So in short, these programs help families in Sacramento County, right, or even anywhere in California, right, to buy their first home by giving extra money for the down payment or closing cost.
Correct.
Right? Letting them borrow now and pay later.
Okay.
Helping them save on taxes.
Okay.
Right? Teaching them how to be smart homeowners.
Oh, yes,
So
correct.
there's a lot of
Okay.
that. Yeah.
So we're not just talking about Sacramento County. We're also talking about neighboring counties like Placer County. So Placer County has first-time home buyer assistance. Ito naman malaki. Tingnan mo
Malaki
to,
nga.
ha.
Oo, mukhang malaki to.
Imagine buying your very first home, but you don't have enough money for the starter
Payment.
payment,
Or down payment.
which is down payment.
Mhm.
Placer County actually gives you a helper loan. So it's like a friend who lends you money so you could reach the front door. You could borrow up to
100,000.
100,000 to help pay for your down payment and,
And even closing costs. That's huge.
Yes.
Very huge.
So it says also,
So you
Alvin.
don't pay it back every month like a normal loan. You pay
Yes.
it back when you sell the home or refinance, just like the Calhafa, of course.
yes, and it's for
Families who haven't owned a home before and are buying in the unincorporated areas of Placer County outside the big cities.
yeah, okay. Ang
okay.
dami, di ba?
Madami talaga. Depending on where you at.
So
Yeah.
may isa pa.
Housing.
Okay.
Ito, ikaw naman
Housing Trust Placer.
Placer.
So this group to, it helps manage the first-time home buyer programs to the county and teaches families how to buy a home. They have classes, webinars, education to help people learn what to expect when buying. So think of them more like teachers or helpers for home buyers. They make sure na you understand the rules and help you get started. So, kasi yan ang parang lacking right now eh. I mean, we have to educate the public and
Correct.
the consumer on how to buy a home kasi
Yeah.
they find it complicated, they
Yes.
find it scary, di
Yeah.
ba? So imagine having this housing trust placer that could actually help you.
Yeah. And it's a huge help talaga for
Yes.
first time home buyer.
They also have what?
See, they have the city programs in Placer County as well.
Okay.
In Roseville, it's called
Roseville.
Yeah.
Okay, marami po tayong mga
Mga
kababayan dyan sa Roseville.
Ang laki ng Roseville.
At saka maraming gustong lumipat ng Roseville. So talk to us
so
about
in Roseville, meron tayong affordable home purchase program na tinatawag.
it.
Okay?
Okay.
Roseville helps families buy homes that are sold at special lower prices so they can afford them. If you qualify for the city might also give you a silent second loan.
Okay.
That means a small helper loan up to 75,000.
Wow, ang yaman naman nila.
And you don't pay
Palaki naman.
monthly, You don't pay
Wow,
monthly.
okay,
you don't
okay,
pay
okay.
monthly. It just waits quietly until you sell or refinance again your home.
Yes,
Yeah.
okay,
So
okay.
there's a
And
lot of
then
grant.
and then also what about Rockland, California?
Yeah,
Ito naman yung affordable housing program,
Oh,
okay? Rockland helps some families buy homes that are part of the affordable housing plan. You must meet the certain income limits. You
Yes.
can't make too much money.
Yeah.
And you can actually apply homes at a lower prices. It's not free grant, but helps make the home
More
affordable. Yes.
That's
okay.
on Rockley naman yan.
Okay.
No? Okay.
Okay, what about Lincoln and Auburn?
Yeah.
Yes.
And other cities, but Lincoln and Auburn particularly.
Yes.
These cities don't have their own special help right now, but families can still use,
Okay.
which is the one we talked about, Placer
Yeah.
County First Time Home Buyer Program, and California statewide programs like Calhafa and GSFA.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
Okay. Yeah.
So in easy terms,
Yeah.
para po medyo klaro at
Yeah.
saka, in short, these programs are like helping hands that let families buy their first house even if they don't have all the money up front.
Correct.
Okay? Some give extra loans that don't need monthly payments.
Yeah.
Others give discounted home prices or classes to teach families how to buy smart. And last but not the least, when families sell their home later, they give the help, the money back.
back.
Okay, so in other words, they have to pay it back. So another family could get
be
the help
yeah.
too.
That's a beautiful thing, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So meron din tayo sa Yolo County.
Yolo
You wanna
County.
talk about
Wow,
it?
okay.
Okay.
So lahat na ng county and cities.
Yes,
Yolo
okay.
County, we do have one, and it's
Okay.
called the Home Buyer Health Made EC.
Okay.
What these programs do or does, imagine you want to buy your very first house. You have some money saving in your piggy bank, but houses cost a lot, right?
Yes.
So you need a little bit of a help to reach your goal. That's why home buyer programs do. They give families helping hand with money or specialties so they can move into their own home. Okay?
Wow.
But that's in Yolo County naman yan,
Okay.
no?
Okay, now, what about Davis? Okay, Davis, it gets
Davis,
expensive.
yan.
Okay.
Medyo, yan, sa...
Medyo mahal.
Oo,
Okay.
correct.
So, affordable ownership program. So, in Davis, the city of Davis, make some home costs less on purchase so that family with normal jobs could still buy them. These homes are called below market rate homes.
BMR.
Yeah,
BMR.
kind of like getting a discount on a house. So you have to make less than certain amount of money, live in the home, you cannot rent it out, promise to sell it later at a fair price so another family could afford it too.
Yeah. So that means hindi ka pwedeng kumita ng malaking pera if you sell it because they...
Hindi, parang nagre-renta ka lang.
Kasi you got it at the below market rate or price
Hindi sulat ang binayad mo, parang...
Yes, kaya nga ang hirap kumuha ng ganitong bahay sa mga BMR or below market
Oo
because
nga, kasi-
when you wanna sell it, you cannot sell it to kung ano yung presyo nga.
Teka muna, kaya ka nga bumibili ba para lahat ng equity sa'yo?
Yeah.
But to each his
Depends.
own. It's
It
not
depends.
for everyone,
Yeah, it
di ba?
depends on your scenario, right?
Correct.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
what about Woodland?
Woodland, we do have one as well. It's called Home First Time Home Buyer Loans. The city of Woodland gives families a special helper loan to cover the down payment, which is the big chunk of the money you pay for when you buy a house. You don't have to pay it every month. You pay it back later when you sell or you refinance again your home.
Okay.
Right now, the program's interest list is closed. That means they don't
Ay,
have any
closed?
posts. Wala eh.
Okay.
They plan to open. So we'll let you know kung mga taga-Yola dyan, taga-Woodland pala.
Woodland.
Yeah, wala na dyan.
Okay. So, what about
pretty
West Sacramento? Ito naman yung housing division, okay?
Okay.
In West Sacramento, the city has helped families with 20,000 boost in the past to help pay for their home through a program called Neighborhood Lift. Okay? They also build affordable housing and may offer you help in the future. So it's good to check their website on what's new.
Perfect.
Okay,
Yeah.
and the last but not the least.
Let's go. Winters and all the Yolo counties.
Okay, so-
some towns in Yolo counties like Winters don't have their own programs yet, but families there can still get help from the big state program like the CalHAFA, the California Housing Authority and Association, and GSFA. So you can use both of those, the big ones, the main ones.
Correct.
So Winters County.
Yes. Okay,
And that's about
so
it. Yeah.
so in simple summary po, okay?
Yeah.
Davis, cheaper homes for families who earns less, okay? Woodland, California, special loans for new home buyers, so check back the website. West Sacramento, past help with 20,000 down payment boost, more. And Winters and others use the statewide help for CalHAFA or GFSA.
Yeah.
So if you have any questions, please reach out to Alvin Reyes from Supreme Lending. And what number they can contact you?
925-667-1205.
Yes,
Yeah.
okay. Imagine, we have all these programs available.
Yeah.
And yun nga lang, maraming mga consumer ang hindi nila alam.
Yes.
Kaya nga dapat po talaga,
Yeah.
ang unang-una po nating gagawin, kung medyo nag-iisip-isip pa lang ng bumili ng bahay, is magkaroon po kayo ng buyer consultation with the realtor.
Correct.
Kasi after your consultation, you will actually connect you with the lender like Alvin na marami pong alam sa iba't ibang klase ng programs na depende po sa kliyente kung ano pong sitwasyon meron sila.
That's correct. That's correct.
Yes.
That's correct. And Elizabeth, especially, again, I just want to be able to announce this, right?
Okay,
Kasi-
you have a big announcement.
Yeah, and this
okay.
is big, and you know naman,
Yes.
Elizabeth, for the last 2 waves that we had this,
Yes.
right? Talagang within 9 days, tapos na, wala na, ubos na yung
Correct.
pondo.
Okay.
Right?
So tell us about
Yeah.
this new thing that's coming up in
Well, it's not a
January
new
1st.
thing. It's an old thing, but it's coming back.
It's coming
It's
back.
coming back,
So
yeah.
is it gonna come January 1st?
Yeah, so what they're saying, by early next year,
Next
right,
year.
by January,
we should have it.
Yeah.
And you want to tell them what it
Yeah.
is?
So
okay.
it's the California Dream for All.
Ito na naman.
Ito na naman. It's a
Third round.
Third round. It's a third round.
Yes.
It's 20% down payment assistance by the CalHAFA, by the state of California, also given. But this time is the big one. It's a 20%.
20%.
And it's a shared appreciation program. Correct.
Okay, teka muna. Magkano ba ang budget nila? Dahil remember, nung first time, naubusan.
Correct.
Tapos yung pangalawa, lottery. So tell me.
Yun nga. So this time, they are setting aside, or they actually already set aside funds of 300 million.
Okay, how much was the first one? 200?
Almost 180,000 million.
180 million. Then the second round.
The second round, ginawa nila mga almost 200 million.
Okay, so this one, 300
million.
Dapat lang ang yaman-yaman ng California.
Well, but I just want to be able to pinpoint this,
okay,
Elizabeth.
tell me. 300 million.
Yeah, the question is, why is it the state doing this? Why are they investing?
O nga, kasi unang-una, sa California talaga naho-hold ang values.
Yes.
And dahil kasi nandito tayo, leaders tayo ng innovation.
Yes,
di ba?
yes.
I mean, mahal po tumira talaga sa California. We are the most diverse sa buong Amerika.
Yes.
Pero po, when it comes to innovation, you could be anybody, whatever you want to be, if you're in California.
And this means one thing when it comes to market housing here in California.
Correct.
Kasi kung ang state willing magsugal,
correct,
di ba? Na ganitong kalaking pera, right? They know na ang bahay dito sa California will never
talaga
crash.
Ang value.
It's always gonna grow. That's why they're willing to give this o kailangan nila mag-invest dito na tinatawag.
Yes.
Okay?
So tell us about the new Cal Hava.
Yeah, so the new
third round.
The third round will be, they're saying by early next year, anywhere from January, again, it will be about 300 million funds allocated already.
Okay.
Of course, you have to be really a first-time home buyer.
So you never, ever own a home.
You've never owned a home.
Paano kung halimbawa mag-asawa yung mister
Hindi
na kabili
pwede.
na?
Hindi
Dapat
pwede.
pareho.
Purely first-time home buyer.
Kung sino man yung applicant sa loan, dapat talaga.
Kailangan talaga never owned a home before.
Okay. And then tell me more.
And then the minimum FICO score needed is 700, quite big. Okay, so and then you could borrow all the way to 20, or they can give you all the way to 20%. Up to 150,000 or 150. Okay. So either off.
Okay.
Off. And you can use the 20% or either 150,000 to either down payment or closing costs. You can split it up however you want to do it.
That's good.
Yeah, so you don't have to worry.
Pero halimbawa, di 20% allocate sa'yo, di ba? 17% lang gusto mong gamitin kasi yung 3% pang closing costs. Pwede yun?
You can use it to whatever you want to use.
Okay, pero may konting maliit na mortgage insurance.
Yeah, okay lang.
Kasi hindi kompleto yung 20.
Correct, yes.
Unless...
No. You the whole 20, yun nga lang, you have to pay the MI if you're just gonna use the whole...
Yeah, kung 17 or 18 lang.
Now, again, depending on your scenario, right? Okay.
Or unless yung realtor ini-negotiate na yung seller magbabayad ng closing costs.
Correct. Pwede naman, which alam naman natin, lately naman, marami naman nagbibigay ng mga seller.
When can you refinance?
You can refinance. Okay, normally you can refinance, of course, in my own opinion, since if you get the equity, within the next year and a half or 2 years, normally that's what you want to do. You have a 20% equity already, right?
Okay, para hindi mo na ibalik.
Para hindi mo,
kung ano man yung equity, it's not out of your pocket.
It's not out of your pocket. Yes, correct. Now remember though, guys, like I said,
how often can they allow you to refinance?
So you're only allowed to refinance one time.
Pero I mean,
for free.
Basta kumita na ng 20%.
Yes.
Ibalik mo na.
Balik mo na kasi you also don't want to get hit with that 20% equity sharing, the sharing appreciation, di ba?
Balik mo na lang.
Balik mo na kaagad talaga. Yun ang talaga ang
Ay, maganda pala yan.
Maganda talaga.
Gamitin, parang ginagamit mo lang yung system.
Yeah, so
para magkabahay ka.
You're basically just using
the
state's money to work for you.
Okay. Kaso ito, I mean, paano ka ba ma-approve dyan?
Ito na nga. So,
kasi 300 million. Kung let's say you're in LA or San Francisco, average sale price is $1 million. So 300 families lang yan.
So this is what they're saying. No, di naman.
Kung 1 billion, right?
Pero what they're saying is they're looking at to see plugging in almost mga 2,000 home buyers. Yan ang sinasabi lang. Median price of mga ano lang, di ba?
2,000 buyers, so 300 million. Yeah. How could it be? Like, are we talking about like 300,000?
Yeah, mga median price of mga 400, 500, mga parang ganun lang. Pero again, that's what they're looking at between that area, di ba? Kasi remember, this is also going to be a what? a lottery pick.
Okay.
Ulit to.
When you remember, we have 58 counties.
Yes.
So ano bang gagawin nila? So kung 300, let's say 300, ano yun, 10 in each county
Well,
or depende?
Ito nga ang sinasabi.
Paano mechanics
So
yan?
remember, the last time we had this, also a lottery pick. Okay?
Correct.
Now, what we've been seeing, and I think what the state is doing, is they want to actually, number one, concentrate on a smaller median price para ma-allocate ng maraming matulungan.
So pupunta muna sila sa mga county na mga, let's say, mga fresh, no?
Like Sacramento County, pwede. Kasi kung sa mga San Francisco...
Hindi.
Yeah.
Teka muna. Okay, like Fresno County, 300,000. Turlock,
mga ganyan. Or San Joaquin County.
San Joaquin County is on the 400. Sacramento is 500.
Or even here in Sacramento. Ibig
About
sabihin,
500.
dito na yung median price natin para nandun lang eh. So, what we're seeing,
Yes.
Elizabeth, like from the last time, for the last pick, talagang kinoncentrate nila yung mga county na medyo mababa yung median price. Kasi nga naman, if you're gonna put everything in San Francisco where our median price is at 900, a million.
A million.
Ubos agad yan, di ba?
Correct.
Mas konting family ang matutulungan. Kaya nga, yung mga counties yan na may mas mababang median price, parang yun ang nakikita namin na mas maraming mapipick or maraming mananalo when it comes to lottery pick, okay? It is a program that is really going to benefit you a lot because number one, if you're going to use your 20%, wala ka ng mortgage insurance. And can you imagine your mortgage payment na you're putting down 20%? It's huge. It's huge help.
Correct, yes.
But this is what I want to tell to everyone. You have to understand that if you want to qualify for this program, you have to start pre-qualing right now.
Okay. So alam ko may mga required classes eh.
Correct.
Isa ba o dalawa?
Dalawa sa California Dream for All.
So how could they start pre-qualifying?
Yes.
Contact their lender or you.
Or me. There's a
Yes.
link that I can send you
Okay.
that you can go ahead and take the first-time homebuyer class.
Okay.
And then the California Dream for All Insured Appreciation.
Oo nga,
Dalawang link.
itry lang nila kasi wala namang mawawala. Malay mo, swerte yan, di ba?
And then get you pre-approved now, get you started para pag nag-kick in na o pag nag-open na yung tinatawag na lottery,
Okay.
all we need to do is put you in there and you're all ready to set. What I'm trying to say, guys, everybody's gonna be want on this. Remember, the last California Dream for All we had, it only lasted for 9 days.
Oo nga. Pwede bang ipadala mo sa akin yung link? Kasi
Yes.
marami akong kliyente na interesado dyan.
And the reason why I want to talk to you guys about this right now because I want you to get ready.
Oo nga,
Ito
kasi
na.
walang nawawala sa taong maagap.
Oh, correct.
Diba? And you're positioning yourself to an opportunity.
Yes.
I mean, malay mo, i-bless kayo, di ba?
Again, this is the third wave, the third time that the state of California will be doing this. And I just want to warn everybody that the last time we had this, which is about a year and a half ago, it only lasted for 9 days or 10 days.
Nga.
Ubus agad yung pondo.
Imagine yung kliyente ko na upset
Yes,
dahil hindi siya nakuha. Sayang,
and again, at the end
kasi unahan yun eh. I remember nung una.
Yan una.
Ngayon, lottery, pangalawa.
Pick na. So that means one thing, kung hindi maipasok yung pangalan nyo sa lottery, that means wala kayong pag-asa. So
Correct.
The earlier you get in, the better your chances will be.
Yes, correct. Okay.
Definitely watch out for this for any announcement that we have, but I just want to let you know that there is another third wave of California Dream for All coming.
Okay, at wag nyo nang palagpasin.
Correct.
Kasi nga, di ba sabi nila, may first chance, second chance, third chance. Keep trying until you get one.
And
diba?
guess what? There's also, like I said, depending on what city and what county you in, may mga iba ring down payment assistance for you guys.
And we talked about that.
Napakadami.
Look at everything on this list. But anyway, okay, thank you, Alvin,
Of course.
for bringing that up kasi that's a good news for California buyers for 2026. It's coming back again.
Get ready.
This is your chance.
Yeah.
And if you want to get pre-qualified, you could contact Alvin. But of course, just like what I said, make sure you do a buyer consultation with your realtor, or you could contact me, Elizabeth Velasco from Remax Gold, 916-730-8053. And I do offer free consultation.
There it is. Yes.
Okay? Thank you, Alvin.
You're welcome, Elizabeth.
I'm glad that we able to talk about this today para matulungan natin ang ating mga kababayan magkabahay.
Correct.
Anyway,
Yes,
so there you go. I hope you learned something today. And we'll see you again on our next episode here at
Bye, Pinoy sa Tate! Bye, guys.
Thank you, everyone.
Follow and
Don't
subscribe.
forget and
Bye-bye.
share.
Bye-bye.